What's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Bionic Trades. I can hardly contain my excitement for today's video. The trading you will see is what I thought bot trading was going to be like when I first started this journey 2 years ago. I can tell you from experience that most days do not look like this. And that's why it's so special that I was able to capture this session on video. What I'm learning is that we have to take what the market gives us. We can't force trades that are not there. Therefore, we're at the mercy of the market. But today, the market was very generous. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see what our final profit is. For those of you that don't know what you're looking at, this is NinjaTrader. It's my platform that I wrote my bot in, and these are just some of the views offered in the platform that kind of show you what's going on. This is where you'll see live positions. And this is my order book. Stops will be shown in pink, and open orders will be blue. And this is a chart of the most recent entry. On busy days, it doesn't always capture the entire trade, but sometimes we get lucky and can see the entire trade from entry to exit. The bottom box is the bot's output. It's how the bot communicates with me and also how I debug my code. The final thing on the page is simply a notepad. I use it to show a list of stocks that we trade and how much we won or how much we lost. Okay, it's 11:42 a.m. and we've already won 9 out of 13 trades and we're up $155.85. At this point, I remember wanting to shut the machine down. I just wanted to keep the profits, but I had to know what the bot was going to do on its own. Looks like we got stopped out on gap GPS. I really hate the gap. It almost always gets stopped out. Looks like we're losing altitude here. We got another stop on Halliburton HAL for a loss of $27.57. Stick with me, we're almost there. These are our last 2 trades of the day, a short on ON, and Macy's M. We'll focus on M for Macy's since the chart was able to capture the entire trade from entry to close. We took advantage of some weakness on M and shorted below the base. You can also see the stops move as we make progress. This is due to my custom position management code. And here's where we finally cover. This is a really awesome trade in my book. We made almost half of 1% in just a few minutes. And the best part is, we didn't have to lift a finger. Okay, let's see how we did. Our last 2 trades made almost $100. The bot does try a couple more entries, but ultimately doesn't get filled. Due to a NinjaTrader bug, our last close on ON is not reflected in the open positions box. But we can see here that the trade has been closed for quite some time now. Alright, so how did we do today? We won 12 out of 19 trades and a total of $202.46. And remember, all we did was turn on the bot today. Not bad for doing virtually nothing. As a final confirmation, I wanted to show you screenshots from my thinkorswim app on my phone. and of course my summary email sent from my bot to my email address. What makes this such a special trading day is not only that we won $202, but also that we were able to win across so many independent trades. This makes me confident that this is systematic and not just luck. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed making it. And please remember to subscribe.